Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to reshape a disfigured ring. So let's start the video. So the process is very simple, but we need to do it very carefully as the jewelry might get damaged. So this is a very traditional method of doing it. These days, there are new tools available in the market which helps us reshaping the ring perfectly. Please be very careful while using the hammer as it might damage the jewelry or might leave scratch marks on the jewelry. So here it is, the ring is shaped perfectly now. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.